Hello, welcome back to another Happy Japan video. In today's video, we're going to be going over some of the common issues and problems on the machines panel.
One of the most common problems that we get asked about is that my presser foot goes down, but my needle does not during my embroidery. And what happens is sometimes we'll be here selecting the different colors or moving the head left to right, and we'll accidentally click on the image of the face and it'll put us in jump. Jump makes it so our needle does not go down during the embroidery and only our foot does to simulate an embroidery process. Another common issue is when we'll go to turn on our machine, it'll be plugged in, everything will be fine, it'll turn on for a second and then turn right back off. Now the cause of that is our emergency stop button, our red button here at the top, is pushed down. To unactivate it, we push it down and twist it to the right so it pops back up and allows us to turn our machine back on. Another common issue is sometimes we'll be here trying to reposition our design and it will not allow us to. The design will stay still. And in our choice option, our moving capabilities will be grayed out. To fix this issue, all we need to do is go to our menus, go to our patterns, and we're gonna select off the design and reselect it. And now it'll allow us to position our design. Another common issue is trying to use our next feature, but it won't allow us or let us enter it. Now what the issue is we have something saved in our save stitch feature. So if I look here and I see that it is a blue arrow pointing out, or I go here and I see that I have a blue arrow pointing out, I will be unable to use my next feature. To resolve that, we either need to go back and delete it or continue it. So in this case, we'll delete it. And now it'll let me use my next feature.